that? Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. And I heard some thunderstorms here above Quinton, my house. Oh my god. This is insane. I heard that. I don't know where thunderstorms is. I think it might be somewhere here. Wait, what? There's a boat. Wow, it's a good thunderstorms, and you just heard that. I see hails there. I see hails there. Well, what shall we wait for? We're gonna wait for the storm to become. Wait, I can hear that. Wait, huh? Oh my god, it just thunderstorm once again. So, wait, I heard Hollie's voice. I can hear something. Not really, it's just footsteps. So, shall we? No. Wait, I think she keeps hiding. She keeps making some weird noises. Wait, I heard it. Oh,
Keep
hey.
the window closed, Dexter.
No, I'm just looking at.
Yeah, you can look.
Listen.
You can look, but don't put your head out there because there is lightning.
Okay, Ben. Bye. Wait, what? I just missed it. Okay. There's a thunderstorm outside. In line it. Okay, Ben. Okay. Okay. I'm just looking at. Wait, what's that? What is that? Sounds really weird sometimes. It's showing because we never see the thunderstorms before, when I just saw it in June 2023, last year. So last year, 1 year ago, was thunderstorms. Thunderstorms again. I see it flashing. They keep flashing. So, wait, I've got the door shut. Oh my god, it's a lightning again! Oh my god, it was just the thunderstorms arriving in just the thunder rumbling noises here. Wait. Okay, let's wait for another thunder to come soon. Wait, oh my god! Lightning! So, how the thunderstorms is rumbling there? Wait, what's that? What? It's a fire engine! It's a fire engine! There is no way! I saw the fire engine pass my house by. Wait, what? Oh. So what shall we do next? Not do next. So we wait for it. I think it's here right now. It's still okay. Alright. Thunderstorms might be here soon. Oh, I see that. I see that again. Wait, what? Oh my god. I think Danny arrived home. No, I've heard that thunder stuff for some reason. Oh. Oh, I see lightning! I see lightning! I see lightning right now. What do you say, Ben? There's a lightning on screen. Oh my! Come here! I saw a lightning.
Yeah?
I saw a lightning.
I told you it's like it's thunder and lightning, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like it? Over there.
Yeah. Wait.
Who are you talking to?
Hello?
Over there. Are you talking to Daddy?
Hello? How you been?
Should be heading.
Oh? What? Oh?
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the lightning hit the window.
So,
That's fine.
but it's
Okay, sorry.
not hitting the window. Not hitting the window. Wait for it. So you,
I didn't remember.
I think it didn't show up.
So,
Okay, Ben. The thunderstorm might go away soon. I ever saw the lightning. It's going away. Wait. Okay. It might be going. Wait. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please. So goodbye. So the next episode will be nothing else there. And goodbye.